think I hit one of the threads underneath here. I could hear it tug a little bit. That's marine vinyl. Looks like I need a little tighter tension on top. This is just a regular thread and a size 14 needle. I'll go with the shorter stitch. You can see it's a little loose here. Need a little bit more upper tension. Oh, that looks better. See there, it's a little bit loose here, better here. That's 2 layers of marine vinyl. This is the SEARS Kenmore 158 series, made in Japan, all metal sewing machine. Uses a class 15 bobbin. Does 10 different stitches. It's a straight stitcher, a zigzag, and then a couple of other stitches. This one does have the 1.2 amp motor. Uses a 2-belt system. It's like a built-in gear reduction on the side of the machine. Alright. Looks like I made a mess. We don't edit out messes. Well, I don't edit out messes. Alright, let's make sure the threads, everything's clear. I'll try that one more time. This is a back and forth stitch. Looks like it could be a little bit shorter. That's the top. That's the bottom. 2 layers of marine vinyl. I've just got a size 14 needle in here, and just a regular thread. Oh, what else should we do? I'll try this one. Well, I seem to be... What am I doing wrong here tonight? let's try what we do with industrial. I'll hold the threads until I get the needle buried. See if that helps. I've been running the industrial machine so much that I got a little out of practice with these little sewing machines. I really like these made in Japan Kenmores because they're all metal parts inside. Everything's mechanical. Alright, I'm going to, let's see if we can get this one working. I only say that because this is a decorative stitch and you have to get the dial set so the feed dog doesn't move the material very much. Oops. I think I need to. I think I went too far. Oh, no, I didn't. I gotta switch over the top. There's a selector on top. Indicates red or white. The stitch I want to do, I have to switch over to the red setting. That little click is the engagement of the shaft inside. And a little bit tighter. All right. Okay, that's what I was after right there. If you go back and rewind the video and pause it when I was showing the front dials, you will see the different stitches this machine will do. Alright, I've gone through the machine, cleaned up the bobbin area, oiled everything. I did take both the belts out, clean that area, lubricated the idler pulley in between, the gear reduction type pulley. The belts look great. Everything else on the machine looks good. It's all metal parts. Class 15 bobbin. Alright, that's it.